Alright, hello my friends. Today is the session you've all been waiting for. This is another aggressive battle. Dave versus the market on 5-second trades with a minimum budget. We are bringing back the impulse sniper strategy, but this time even more aggressive. This is exactly what you love, guys. And I love it too. This is exactly what you've been asking for in your comments. Before we start, hit the like button, leave a comment with your favorite trade from this session and the timestamp. And don't forget to subscribe to not miss another videos. Also, join my Telegram. It's hot there every single day. All the links in the pinned comments. Alright, let's go! So today we start with just $100, super small budget, and we're going full scalping mode strategy. As usually, Impulse Sniper, you already should know it, Bollinger Bands, period 8, Deviation 2. Remove the middle line, guys. Moving average just with 8. And don't forget to put EMA. Okay, it's classic. Already, we start the first one. We trade only impulses when the candle touched the board of Bollinger Band. First trade is win. We're trading on 5 seconds. Fast and aggressive today. Okay, 2 trades and win. We're already good. Let me increase for 40. This is basically a Formula 1 of trading, guys. My custom strategy. My custom settings of these 2 indicators. We're going good, guys. 257. I will already increase for 50. Why not? And we're just waiting for next impulse. Here we are. Or not. Nah. I don't think it's a good idea to trade here. I will trade aggressive, but not stupid. You know what I mean? Yes, this one. Let's trade for 50. Yes, now we have already tripled that deposit. That was fast, guys. Another impulse. We're going 60. I like to move it. Yes, we are already at 358. Great start, but it's just a start. We're not stopping, guys. Watch this video until the end. I will tell you a lot of important information there. $70 trades now. I don't like this kind of trends, this kind of strategy, because the trend is too strong. It's always risky, but that's what you love, the risk trading from me. This video is just about content. Guys, if you like the more simple strategies, minus, yes, and 140. We covered losses. If you want more classical strategies, more classical trading, go to my Telegram channel. We're trading there every day. Anyway, let's move forward. $80 trade, short. Sell position, boom. 490. Yes, good news for me. It will be another good news, guys, if you will send me the message on Telegram. And I will answer any of your questions, and I will give you even promo codes to increase your deposit. Okay. Your selection is the king. Well, first and minus, 180 in plus, 566. Wow, I'm not afraid to lose $100. Let's do it. This is for content. Let's try. Yes, another plus. We're going good. Don't rush to success. It will come, believe me. Be patient. And do the good things. And it will come. Yes, rock to 1000. 100. I want to. Well, 100 plus, 100 minus, 100 minus, 300 in a game. And this is the boom, 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 boom shakalaka. Hey, yes, Good one. Good one. Let's go for 150. Increase the game. Increase the bet in this game. Someone familiar with this channel, you guys know. I'm not joking with this strategy. It's my custom strategy. Impulse Sniper, Bollinger Band plus moving average. 964. We're almost there. I want at least 1000. Yes. 150 in the game, minus 300 in the game. Boom, 1090. Yes. We hit the goal, but we don't stop. Guys, I will not stop now. I know you. In the comment you'll say, why did you stop? Hey, that's fine, I will not stop this video for the content. I'm not scared to lose $100 for the good content. Let me try. Ooh, the big game. Jackpot coming. Oh, 1,442. Well, we all hit. Let's go to the next step. Yes. It's a strong trend again. It's risky, but let me risk $200. Let me risk 400. It should reverse. I know it. It should reverse. 800 all in. It should reverse in this moment. Yes, I knew it. So there's 1,554. Wow. But I knew it. It's martingale working. If you know that this impulse will come. Now 300. Easy game, easy money. Whoa. Now we're at 1,830. I'm in the flow now. Flow is the impulses. Well, let's go next. This is what I call a trading trance. Yes, I feel the rhythm. I'm feeling the rhythm. Oof. Reverse and on. Okay, not a problem. 2,082. 300 trade. Another loss. Okay, 600 trade. Yes, important one. We are both 1,000. Well, final chaos. Let's do for another trade, guys. 350. Let's do it. $350. 5 seconds. Boom. Wow. Yes, we're going good. Profit. Okay, guys. I will hit 3,000 or I will move to 2,000. That's it for today. Okay? Let me just fix the goals. 3,000 or 2,000 from 100, guys, for 10 minutes. Well, that's something what really should motivate you. Yes, we almost 3,000. You can stop here, but me, for a good content, I want to see the number of 3,000. Right here, right now. Martingale, help me. Nah, 3-step Martingale, 900, no, more than 1,000 the game. Ooh. We're going back, and 350. Please, I want to finish this session. Yes, that was a great final. All right, my friends, that was insane. From 100 to over 3,200 in one session, 10 minutes. Yes, it was aggressive. Yes, it was risky. But this is what you came for, right? Write in the comments which trade was your favorite, at what second it happened in this session. I'll send 10 USDT to the best comment. By the way, don't forget to put the like and join my Telegram channels. All the links in the pinned comment. Stay sharp, stay smart, and stay healthy. Enjoy the day. Peace.